Alright boys and girls, I said I'd do another video, so here we go. This time we might throw in a couple of tips. Alright, first up, got to pull the air out, hey? Right. Get that thing out. Get the rim lock. Don't need undoing that all the way. Break the bead.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa. Come on, bitch. The valve and rim lock at 7 and 4 o'clock or whatever. Use curved ends. Kneel on the tyre. Hold it down into the well of the rim. Make sure the rim locks let go. Don't take too big a bite. Right, out here, no good. Too close together, waste of time. About 70-80 mil is good, depending on the tyre. Right. Swap ends to straight end. Where the tyre leaves the rim, you aim for about halfway between there and where it disappears into the wheel well. Alright? So, roughly an inch. There's a gap there, and that makes it easy to get the lever under, plus it's only a small bite. There goes a knuckle already, you bitch. Reach in, grab the tube, pull it out. I stand on the wheel and pull up on the tyre, so I've got room to reach in there and grab the tube. Next step, pull the wheel off, tyre off. This is how I like to do it. There's a chunk of timber. Right, just get in under it. Go across like that. Pull it down. And bash the bitch off. Too easy. Done. Alright, at this point you inspect the rim, clean it up, and then get the tyre ready to refit. While we're at this stage, this is that rim tape that I ramble on about all the time. High pressure shit. Get it from a push bike shop. Now I've already talked the tyre, heaps of powder in there. Time to talk the tube. I like to use lavender because it smells pretty. Alright, fit your tube into the tyre. Oh yeah. Right, bitch. Man, it's going to take 5 minutes on time. Here we go. this is an ultra heavy duty tube, so it holds its shape well without having the valve in it. Right, this is directional, so goes that way, which means it goes that way, which means I need to spray this side. Get plenty on this face, and if you can, get the overspray to hit the inside edge on the other side of the tyre, okay? Right, fucking on. Right there, right. Stick the valve in the hole. Kind of bitch. Fuck it, I'll do it my way. Start the rim lock. Line the valve up with the hole. Then all you gotta do is put the valve in. Times like this, you really enjoy having to stick on rim tape, because you can fuck around in the darkness and the tape won't move on you. Stick a nut on the valve so it doesn't disappear on you, and you're set to go. Rim lock and valve is at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock now. Man, this is a fucking kind of a tyre. Jesus. When you get 3/4 on or 2/3 on, kneel on it at each point so it doesn't creep back up, and work one edge in. Follow up with your knee so it doesn't come back on you. Jesus. Make sure the tyre's in the well, otherwise it'll be a nightmare. It's like working out in the shed on a hot afternoon. And there we have it. Put the valve in. Always push the rim lock up to make sure it's not under the tyre. Put the valve in, blow it up, then you can go have one of these. Here's another tip. At this stage it's a good opportunity to clean your spacers, clean the seals out. And just put a little bit of fresh grease in there. These things are brilliant. If you don't have one, get one. Push bike shop. Well done. And there you have it. See, I do more than just get online and talk shit about conspiracy theories. Suckers.